Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more legal dictations. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. It is also prayed that this honorable court may initiate action under criminal contempt on its own motion against Ms. Manisha Batra, the learned district and sessions judge Palwal for not providing stationery at Subdivisional Judicial Court Complex, Hodal, thus interfering and obstructing in the administration of justice. Full stop. It is also prayed that this honorable court may initiate action under criminal contempt on its own motion against Shri Inderjit Mehta and the enquiry officer Shri Manoj Kumar Rana, the civil judge bracket junior division bracket close Faridabad, because they continued the proceedings in the inquiry after a period of 6 months without asking for any extension based on the administrative letter issued by the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court and judicial decision given by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Full stop. Thus, having no jurisdiction to continue the inquiry, it being a nullity, thus interfering and obstructing in the administration of justice. Full stop. Any other relief which this honorable court may deem fit. Full stop. The petitioner is posted as examiner at Tosham in Sessions Division, Bhiwani. Full stop. He has been issued several charge sheets for major misconduct under Rule 7 of the Haryana Civil Services bracket punishment and appeal bracket clause rules 1987, stated to be 12 in number, which are pending at different stages for commission of misconduct committed while posted in Palwal and Firozpur, Jirkha subordinate courts, one of which is questioned in this petition. Full stop. The present petition challenges the charge sheet in one of the inquiries initiated for major misconduct against him, seeking directions to quash the pending proceedings and the charge docket by a writ of certiorari on the several grounds taken in the petition. Full stop. I have heard his counsel. Full stop. No ground whatsoever is made out to interdict the inquiry proceedings at a premature stage and to terminate them by writ of certiorari. Full stop. Prayers 2 and 3 are so reprehensible in character that this court has very serious doubt whether such a person should continue in service in the judicial institutions he serves in the ministerial staff. Full stop. I would say no more in the face of pending inquiry for major misconduct, as the law will take its course without the inquiry officers being influenced by the dismissal of this case, and would continue to conduct the proceedings in free and fair domestic trials and reasonable opportunity to the petitioner to defend himself. Full stop. The inquiries may be endeavored to be completed as soon as प्रैक्टिकेबल, फुल स्टॉप एंड ओवर। सो ये हमारी 80 WPM नियर अबाउट डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।